Hello everyone, this is Surya sir teaching for UPSC CSC Anthropology. Today's topic of discussion is kinship, its relevance in social structure, part of 2.5 paper 1 syllabus. So when this question is asked about the relevance of kinship in social structure, first we need to define what is kinship. In simple terms, it is a system of social relationship which is based on marriage, that is also called as affinity, or blood, which is also called as consanguinity. Now here one thinker you can use in definition, Stone, which gave this definition in 1997. It will give a good introduction to the question. Similarly, you have to define a social structure in the introduction, that is, it is a stable arrangement of institutions where human beings interact and live together. You can add R.C. Brown here because he gave the fundamental concept of social structure, hence it will again add value to your introduction. Now you have to establish a relationship. Now how do you establish a relationship? You need to establish a relationship between kinship and social structure. So you should mention that kinship is embedded into the social organization, which includes relationship with political, economic, religious and social institutions. For example, in Saura tribe, the kinship is embedded into the political, economic and religious life. Now here you can also mention R.C. Brown again because he studied the Australian Aborigines and also wrote about African kinship. In his writings he established the importance of kinship in social structure. So this will again give weight to your answer, because a thinker who has already studied about kinship is relating kinship with social structure. Then another important thing is that the descent, residence and marriage, these are part of kinship. They are key factors which affect the social structure of many societies. So hence kinship and social structure are related. Now what are the dimensions in which kinship and social structure are related? You have to dwell on those dimensions to make the answer multidimensional. How kinship is related with social structure? Kinship determines who to marry, who not to marry. It also determines various marriage principles. Now these marriage principles leads to alliances, and alliance formation helps in maintenance of social structure. Here you can mention Levi-Strauss alliance theory to give more weight to your answer. It also defines a taboo relationship, that is, you cannot have sexual relationship or marriage with close kins. So kinship also determines, or kinship tree also determines a taboo relationship. The different rights and obligation. Now it is very important to mention rituals, that kinship helps in ritual determination, who will perform the rituals, how it should be performed. So what are the different rights and obligation of family members as well as kin members? Sacraments means sacred ceremonies, religious practices that include birth rituals, death rituals, initiation ceremonies. So here you are relating kinship with religion as well as rituals as well as the social structure. It also determines the family line or gotra and kula, so that you can determine who you can marry, who you cannot marry, and continue your lineage and clan. Now these words, lineage, clan, gotra, kula, rights, taboo, these will give you more marks because these are anthropological terms. Kinship is also important in economic cooperation. For example, division of labor. Now marriage is also a type of kinship, as according to Levi-Strauss. Here also division of labor takes place. Then there is a system of Ansir among Saura, who practice shifting cultivation. Here the men burn the trees and the women are responsible for weeding, removing the debris and plantation. In Igbo tribe, the kins are called for headhunting, hence economic cooperation take place between them. In gift exchange, you can mention potlatch societies or various Kula exchange, which occurs in Trobriand Islanders among kinsmen. Inheritance of property is determined by various kinship principles like unilineal descent, double descent, ambilineal descent. This you will mention because these only help in inheritance of property in future generation, which maintains social structure. If the property inheritance rules are not specified, there will be conflict and violence and the social structure will break down, and this is again very important. Now to add value to your answer, you can add mechanical solidarity, which is nothing but there is a solidarity or a bond between the kinsmen related with various ceremonies, rituals, practice, inheritance, political function, social function, etc. So this will again add value to your answer. Third is your kinship in political institutions. Now there is very important segmentary lineage and territoriality. This belongs to the minimal lineage, means those who are related with 6 to 8 generations belong to this minimum lineage and form a segmentary lineage of political institution. You can add a diagram here. That means the close kins control a political section of the political territory together. Now this makes a kinship role in political institutions very important. You can also add mere 40s here, who studied political institution extensively and established the role of kinship in them. Next is social stability. Now there are various behaviors like joking behavior, avoidance behavior, and coward, which is practiced in todas. So this helps maintain social stability because this prevents taboo relationships. This prevents breakdown of family, breakdown of lineage. Hence it maintains social stability in society. Kinship terminology, which has been given by Lewis Henry Morgan, W.H.R. Rivers, Kreber, and other thinkers, is also very important because it helps establish the structure of family or extended family. You can draw family tree of various kinship terminologies. For example, Omaha is there, Sudanese is there. So you can draw a little bit here. So these all factors relate kinship with a social structure and how it helps maintain social structure. Now a small section on more mark section. You have to clearly define kinship in the introduction as well as the social structure in the introduction. You have to bring the interrelatedness or relevance of kinship in social structure. You can use thinker R.C. Brown to substantiate your answer. Second, you need to use words like descent, marriage, alliance, rituals, and obligations, so as to give the examiner a feel that you're writing about kinship, you have a knowledge about it, and again you are relating it with social structure maintenance. You can use Levi-Strauss alliance theory here. This is very important. It will give you more marks. Never forget the economic and political aspects because the examiner is looking for that you can think beyond the social structure. If you don't remember much examples, give main examples like Potlatch, Kula exchange, Malinowski, generalized reciprocity, Levi-Strauss concept of marriage. You can add mere 40s when you write political aspects. This is also important because this will give you an edge over others. You can briefly add that the kinship terminologies help in maintaining social structure. I have created a mnemonic called SOCH, through which you can remember the most of the kinship terminologies which are accepted by the anthropologists. Conclusion, you have to be balanced again. Kinship study is relevant to know underlying social structure of different societies. Now this is very brief and precise conclusion. This will conclude your answer because already you have mentioned thinkers, examples, you have presented a multidimensional answer, so conclusion can be brief. So please like, share and subscribe this video if you have liked it, and at Surya's Anthro for UPSC. You can join my Telegram channel, which is at the rate of IS with Surya, where you can ask your doubts and you can also get your answers evaluated. I am also trying to bring in general studies answers, ethics and essay evaluation. If you all guys want it, then I will bring that also at this Telegram channel. Thank you for watching the video and keep liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.